Hi guys, welcome to my review and unboxing of the Silicon Spider-Man chest emblem by Amped Up Cosplay. I'm here in my new apartment in Shenzhen, China, and here I'm going to be going to cons, checking out all the cool cosplay retailers here in China, and I'm also going to be doing my own cosplay builds, so be sure to subscribe and follow along. And I'm going to be reviewing lots of suits from different retailers, particularly Zentai Zone. So if you want to order from Zentai Zone, be sure to use my discount code NINJA-. Okay, let's get into it. So right now I'm going to be starting my own build, which I'm really excited about, and that's going to be a classic Spider-Man suit featuring all the Spider-Man gadgets built in. I'll have web shooters, spider signal, belt camera, and all that good stuff. But I also want the suit to really pop visually. So I'll be puff painting it and adding all the coolest features that I can think of. Let's get into the unboxing of this Silicon Spider-Man chest emblem by Amped Up Cosplay. I was really excited to get this little package before I left Canada because Amped Up Cosplay is based in Canada. Amped Up Cosplay has really reasonable prices for all the amazing services that he offers for cosplay and Spidey suits and stuff like that. He does puff painting and he casts these silicone chest emblems and a lot more. So let's pop this open and have a look. This is pretty exciting. I can't wait to see what it looks like in person. Boom! Wow. Nice and heavy and thick. Oh. Looks beautiful. It's nice and thick, and he offers a few different styles of this emblem, including other superhero emblems aside from Spider-Man. I really like this emblem in particular. It's like the classic Spider-Man chest emblem. It's really sturdy. Gonna be so much fun to glue this onto my costume, and it kind of looks like a little drone could pop out of it. So, if you want one of these bad boys, be sure to get an Amped Up Cosplay on Instagram. I'm going to be gluing this to my costume, and I'll be sure to make a video of just how I did that in case you want to follow along my process on making this suit. So that's about it for this review slash unboxing of this emblem. It looks perfect, it feels sturdy, kind of reminds me of Creepy Crawlers if you guys remember that toy line, and I'm just really happy with it. So I'm going to be gluing it on my suit soon. Be sure to subscribe and stay tuned for all my other nerdy videos. Thanks for watching, Spidey fans. Cheers.